Hi guys, in this video we're going to do multiplying binomials and trinomials. In the last video we just did binomials times a binomial. So this is going to be a binomial which has 2 terms times a trinomial which has 3 terms. It's going to be very similar to what we did before, except you're going to add one extra step to it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We have a plus 3 times 2a squared minus 3a plus 1. So here's my binomial, here's my trinomial. Okay, so what am I going to do? Same steps that we did before. We're going to make sure that this gets multiplied by everything in the second trinomial. Okay, so let's see. A times and I'm just gonna write it up here so I don't even look at this, guys. I'm gonna do it up here. Okay, so it's gonna be a times 2a squared. I know what that is. That is 2a cubed. And then I'm gonna do a times a negative 3a, and I know what that is. That's gonna give me a negative 3a squared. And then a times a positive 1, and that's just going to give me a. So let's write all that out. So we have 2a cubed minus 3a squared plus a. Okay, we did the first one. Now let's do the second one. The second one, I'm going to do it a different color. Let's go ahead and use pink. So now 3. Everything got the first one got multiplied by everything. Now the second one needs to get multiplied by everything. So 3 times 2a squared, that is going to be 3 times 2, that's 6a squared. Then 3 times a negative 3a, that gives me negative 9a. And then 3 times a positive 1, and that just gives me 3. So let's add this to it. So we have plus 6a squared minus 9a plus 3. Okay, so again, our next step is to combine what we can combine. So I'm going to right away look to see for last names, things that have the same variables. So right away I see, okay, we have this a squared and I have this a squared. And I also see that we have a and minus 9a, and that pretty much looks like that's it. So let's go ahead and simplify. So we have 2a cubed, and then negative 3a squared plus 6a squared is going to be a positive 3a squared. And a positive a minus 9a is going to be a negative 8a. And plus 3 has nothing to add to, so that's it. I look, double check, make sure nothing can be simplified any further, and nope, that's it. We are pretty much done.